Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. I'm back.
Merry Christmas. If I had to live my life without you,
make me feel that not that I'm losing all my mind.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, ante. It's been a long time. And hello, it's been a long time. Tagal ko nang upload ng vlog. Ngayon lang ulit. Today is October. Ano ba ngayon? October 26. October 26 na. Good morning. Nandito kami sa Blue Bay Walk. Ayan na naman tayo. Narinig ko na naman yung eroplano dito. Ay, nakingay. Kasama ko yung mga bagets, sila mami, nandun sila oh. Tapos nandito kami sa loob ng Blue Bay. Medyo matagal kang nawala sa vlog. April pa, yung huling appearance. busy mga ante. Yan. So vlog to, vlog. Okay, i-upload ko to mamaya. Mas malilim dito eh. Dito kayo. Mainit dyan. Mas malilim dito. Transfer. Hi.
Hi subscribers.
Ha?
Why are you YouTuber?
Morning. Punta tayo dito. Oh. Check natin yung pool. So, under construction yung swimming pool. Kailan matatapos? Ginagawa pala to. Ah, bakit parang hindi na maintain yung So, nandito kami sa amenities. Diba?
You're too heavy.
Yan. So, yung bound, sa hapon pa to available. Mga 3 o'clock onwards. Tayong init. Init. Hello. Ano na ba? Ayan. Hello. Ito ng hair, oh. It's 5:60. Ang ganda ng hair. Oh, ang ganda ng hair namin. Ano lang to eh. Nakikilip. Pwede ka nun. Pwede ba mag-sangria yung may angina? Pwede. Sangria. Ito yung menu nila. Ito yan. Ito gusto ko ng calamari. Tapos, ano? Ito oh. Itong masarap eh. Okay, we're here at Barrage. Ayan, dito kami. Dito kami sa Barrage. Available yung VIP later pa. So, manonood tayo ng band today. Ito na yung wine. Tapos magla-live siya sa TikTok. Hello. Oh, mag-hi ka muna. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. I'm back.
You're back. So, ito yung order niya. Ano yung order mo? Sangria. Sa akin, Cabernet. And I'm live here sa TikTok. O, diba? So, this is pakita ko nga. Wait lang.
Add product.
Ah, may pa ganon. Oo. Got it. Ano pala yun? Naaral namin. Ano yung nilagay mo sa TikTok ko? Payong tsaka
Mayo.
Magbebenta ng kayo.
Gluta.
At saka,
Nature Glow Gluta.
ano
Order
yun,
kayo
yung
guys.
lagayan na,
Yan.
ito, ayan.
1 year ko na siya ginagamit.
Ba't nawala? Nakapin.
Tanggal yung mga...
Saan? Wala naman, basta nakapin. Ah, ito, ayan.
Sila lang na.
Oh, ayan o. Andito na yung cheesecake. Naka-live tapos naka-vlog. Mukbang tayo today. This is blueberry cheesecake. Try mo. So, ito yung nachos natin. Try natin yung nachos.
Yan, nakalive din yung sister.
First time kong ginawa yung naka-live tapos nagba-vlog. Alam mo yung naka-live ako tapos nagba-vlog ako.
Try natin. Kwento masarap yung ano yan.
Shrimp Alfredo to. Yung nachos okay din. Yan. Oo, vlog to. Sabay yan. Live and vlog. Ano? Sarap. Try.
Try natin yung pasta.
Siya yung kumakain eh. Dito, sa vlog.
Ano to?
Alfredo Shrimp Pasta. Yan yung bestseller ng Borashi. Meron tayong discount voucher dito sa Borashi. Ayan, yan po. Ayan. How to avail. Okay, yung magko-comment, bibigyan ko kayo nito. Tayo sa una. Saan ba?
Mga names. Hindi, maganda.
Di pa tayo dito sa labas. Meron akong discount.
May nakalakong bukas. May ko J puto.
Ikaw kakanta?
Wait lang po, i-recall ko lang yung song. Kasi matagal ko na siya tinakas.
Request siya from TikTok
From
Live.
TikTok Live.
Yes.
Oh, nakalive tayo.
Yes, you're live. You're live.
Gusto ko na sana hello po. Shout out sa ating mga viewers.
Ayan.
Punta na kayo dito
Hi.
guys, malapit lang to. BF Resort.
Here, yes. Yan, oh. Oh, anong request nyo? Kaya ko yan.
Ma-request ma'am.
So, pangalawang cheesecake ko na to. Bakit pagka nagla-live hindi nare-record? Paano mo nare-record yung sayo?
Ha?
Yung kanta mo. Paano mo nare-record?
Ah, nasa history mo yan? Yung live mo? Hindi na naka-tweet pa yan.
Hindi ako yung kakanta, ha? Siya. Tsaka siya.
Let's go. Subok na to sa voting.
Siya at tsaka siya.
Once again, shout out sa mga viewers natin sa ating TikTok Live. Thank you para po sa inyo guys.
Make it
Movies, but
real.
cuties.
May nagko-co-host sa akin. Sino ba to? Co-host.
Here we go. Request Express.
Ay, ito na yung ano ko.
Sometimes I love won't let go.
Malakpakan muna natin. Wait, itilipat ko lang. Sister ko, sa VR. Follow nyo sila. Sa TikTok. Ito rin, sa TikTok.
Yan guys ganito lang ang gagawin natin. Wala tayong
Oh, wait lang. Sige, sige.
Huwag kayo may
Wala
idea.
akong ano nun.
Ito po, meron tayong lyrics ma'am. Don't worry.
Lyrics.
Yeah.
Random lang to. Oh my gosh. Ingrid.
Ma'am Ingrid.
Uy, ang lamig ah. Uy, ako na to. Hi guys. Saan ko pa pwede patong to?
Yan, dyan.
Guys, totoo ito.
Wala tayo sa bahay.
Sa The Jets.
Jets, Jets.
Yeah? Gusto mo yun?
So, anong part ko dyan?
Hindi ba? Gusto mo try yung na ba itong lyrics na ito, ma'am? Ganyan?
Yes.
Alright.
Ay, makinig kayo, ha?
Once again, po, shoutout sa all newcomers. Welcome to Borash. Magandang gabi po. May KTV rin tayo dito.
Live pa. Ako na lang face!
Teka lang.
Naka-live pa sa TikTok.
Yan.
Naka-live? Oh my God. Baka mag-unfollow.
Sige na, whenever you're ready.
Ano susunod? 1, 2, 3, go. And as long as the sun shines down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you, getting over me. I'll never get over you, getting over, never get over you, getting over. I'll never get over you, getting over me. Yes! Happy birthday to my sister! Pero ano ba? I was the game he would play. He brought the clouds to my day. Then like a ray of light, you came away one night. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear, make all the clouds disappear. Who do I love the best?
Alright, here we go.
Don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him, honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call, you went out on a limb. And you're all that is look what I got. You got it all over here.
Baka makapiright tayo ha, parang original kasi niya.
No, don't let me worry you so. Once I met you, I let go. Oh, you can surely see you're so much more to me. Just one look and I knew
Babalik pa rin sa yakap
Imig
mo
lang kita saan.
hanggang sa huli.
Dalawa tayo. Sige na. Belated happy birthday.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know it's take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more. Wow. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. The one that changed my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Seems I really need you after all. Time won't let me keep these sad thoughts to myself. I just like to let you know I wish I'd never let you go. And I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do. And if you ever change your mind, I'll still, I will love you.
Así que trépate, actívate, así cálate, que te quiero ver, te vas a recoger. Está con mi mujer, está con mi mujer, está con mi mujer. Esta noche la pasamos bien, conmigo no te...
Hey! Nag-enjoy kami. Ang galing-galing, no? Napanood nyo ba? Ang mga ante gumigimik pa. My goodness. Ano ba time check? Time check? Ano ba? It's 10:29. O, diba? Pauwi na kami. Okay. Good night. Gumimik kami. Good night. Good night. Diba? Ayan na yung cravings namin. And you're all that is... Ayan. Try niya na yung cake niya. Make up. Ayan yung favorite ni Coco eh.